This time IMTEX is getting really shaky. A lot of people are pouring in, good inquiries, good customers coming in. So this is going to be game changing for our industry. That's what I believe. Apart from the other usual aspects, this time for Fagor it's a milestone. I would say it's a milestone because we have machines in live demo, and all the machines it's Fagor controlled with live demo are 5-axis machines, which is actually a key point. Now we are at BFW, so we have two machines here. A big huge machine called ST500X, which is a turn mill center with full 5-axis option, and we have another machine which is a full 5-axis B600 machine, 5-axis B600 machine, which is also a full 5-axis machine. So I would like to have a live demo on BFW shop on these machines. We have BFW machine 5X B600, which is equipped with Fagor control. And I would like you to brief little bit about what is this machine and what are the capabilities of this machine.
Yeah. But first of all, I want to say that IMTEX is one of the largest worldwide machine tool exhibitions, and we are very happy to see here super 5-axis machines which can machine aircraft parts, very high precision parts, and that's amazing about the high-tech technology what BFW put here for the guests on the floor.
Explain a little bit about the application what we can make on this particular machine. I mean, which are the sectors where we are going to cater?
The main sectors for sure is the aircraft industry and the precision part industry. We have got here a 5X machine, fully 5X synchronous, and with about 600 millimeter work part size, we can machine. Fully synchronous 5-axis machining. Therefore, it's so important to have got a full capable system, which includes the Fagor control, which is one of the most advanced controls in the world.
Right.
And it's a full package. So we have the glass scales from Fagor, we have got encoders, and we have got the amplifier drive system along with the control system.
Correct.
And this is all optimized in one system, and on the top of it we have got the possibility to do the full volumetric compensation with the control.
We have a very prominent guest with me, Mr. Thirumaleshwar, who is a AGM strategic production. So I am going to hand over the mic to Mr. Thiru so that he can speak a little bit about the giant machine what we have behind me.
Particularly this machine we are building with the Fagor control. We are showing the Fagor control, basically a very good controller for 5-axis mill-turn machine applications. So they have all the necessary cycle to fulfill the our product. So they also got the scales, which is also Fagor we are using in these machines.
Right.
Of course, the product quality is on a very higher side, premium side. That's why we shortlisted among the leading brands. We have here a beautiful controller which can be swivelable, and it's a 15-inch screen. It's very operator friendly. You can see all the functions, everything neatly. It can be accessed. One of the best controllers what we have in terms of cycles, features at one go for a 5-axis mill-turn machine.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for trusting us, and thank you for placing our controller, our feedback system, our encoder system in this beautiful machine.